Get 3 months of free Apple TV Plus with Twitch subscription. Apple and Amazon have collaborated to offer a new 3-month free Apple TV Plus when you subscribe to any streamer on Twitch. The promotion is set to start on July 30th and end on August 19th. You can subscribe or gift a subscription to someone close to you and entitled to the promotion. Meanwhile, Amazon App Store is also running a promotion for a 3-month TV Plus trial on compatible Fire TV sets. If you subscribe to any streamer through Twitch from July 30th till August 19th, you'll be able to redeem your 3 months of free Apple TV. New monthly, multi-month, or gifts Twitch subscribe count. However, a Twitch Prime subscription or automatic subscription renewal is not considered. New and returning Apple TV subscribers are eligible, but current subscribers will not be eligible to benefit from the offer. The promo code is set to appear in the drops and rewards section of your Twitch account. However, the codes will expire on August 31st, so you have to ensure the redemption before that. What's coming to Apple TV Plus in August? If you're interested in a Spanish-language drama series, Gad Insider has a list of dramas to be added to Apple TV Plus in August. Women in Blue, documentary Cowboy Cartel, the new Matt Damon movie The Instigators, and Vince Vaughn's comedy Bad Monkey, and more.